have mental health. It is just as important as physical health. It is not only about mental illness or mental disorder. This is just one part of the bigger picture. It's best to think about the mental health as being on the continuum rather than people doing rather ill or mentally well. We all are on the continuum and we move up and down according to the factors such as our genetic makeup and upbringing our life. So, today we are going to see some well-being tips that can improve our mental health. Hey everyone, I am Janvi from class 9th A and today we are going to do the mental health activity. First, we will try to focus on the positive thing instead of getting to the negative things like our family, our friends, our relationship, and that's other all. And I know that they are there to find the solution of my any problems. So instead of going to the negative things, let's focus on the solution that they have given. And when we think about the solution, when we think about the positiveness, we will must feel better. And each day we must deliberately that take time to appreciate and recognize everything that I am thankful for. We can write thank you to our generals and we can send the cards to our friends and the sacrifice that they have done for us. When we focus only and only on the positive things, then we don't have the time to spend on the negative things and to the negative things like internet, social media and the other platforms. Now next, it's very important to connect with your friends, to your family members, to your relationship so that you will feel better. You don't feel alone, you don't feel lonely and the sadness that you are having. They always let you to feel better and always give you the self-confidence, self-improvement, self-time management and more skills they can give you because all the friends and all the family members are really connected to you, so that we can say that connect with other peoples. Their meaningful relationship help us to maintain a positive attitude and help us to improve our personal growth. So, the most important part of the mental health, that is the physical health. If we are fit mentally and also physically, then we are able to do all the things correctly. If you are going to walk outside, you will feel better. You have to do the workout, you have to eat healthy foods, you have to sleep on time and regularly, get up to the bed, and these all things if you must perform, you will get mentally fit by the illness also, by the well also, and you will keep safe and fine. So we can say that these 4 tips that I have tell you, if you follow these tips, that they are very important for you because these all tips can also remind you from the physical illness and also the maintaining the mental physical illness. We can say that these 4 tips, let us summarize it in the very easy way. So in first we have seen about the focus in the positive attitude, in which we have to understand that we have to only and only focus on the positive things like to our family members, to our friends, to our relationship, not only on the don't get busy in the social media platforms because it will distract your mind from your parents, from your family members and from your friends. Now the second thing, that is practice gratitude. In this you can thankful to your friends, to your family members that have given you the right path, right way and right things to do, as you can thankful to them, to the cards, to the letters, and you can do so many of the resources to tell them to the thank you letter that you want to say them. Now the third one is connect with others. This is also a way by which you can get connected by the others and you can also be a friendly person in your society. As we can say that connect with others is also a main resource. If you connect with others, if you are not in a better mood, then they will help you to comfort better and you will feel better with them. They will always help you to find the solutions. They will always help you to walk on the path that you are going on. The last one but not the least, maintaining the physical health. This, if you understand this word maintaining the physical health, you will understand this word very easily and very comfortably because you all know the physical health means our exercise, our daily routine, the way that we are getting up, the way that we have spent our days, these all known as physical exercise and the mental physical health. So I hope you must understand some tips. This is my Janvi from class 9th. Thank you.